What's the deal?
Getting ready to go eat.
Hell yeah.
Some breakfast.
Well, let's go breakfast. Breakfast. You heard? What's going on, guys?
Day 2, Sema.
Got the Starbucks?
I already finished mine. I drink like a man.
Might be over there.
Yeah. I see the wing. The cardigan
That's
toe.
what I always look for. Look for
Cardigan
that
toe.
gigantic ass wing.
Alright, we made it. We're at the convention center. Ready to walk in?
Yes, sir. Getting suited.
It's probably gonna be packed today.
I know. But it'll be good. Catch up on what we didn't catch yesterday. We back. Just us 3 today, though.
I know
back for you
everyone else wants to go party.
Yeah, nah, we're good. I'm ready to go be couples.
We made it back inside.
Oh, you know what though? I'm gonna head over to the toilet real quick.
Oh, yeah.
10 minutes. Handles.
What is it?
Because they give out Link custom pins every hour.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let's go get it.
Wanna go?
Alright, let's go see something that we haven't seen.
That's fine.
Yeah.
We're in the performance section. All the cool stuff. We're gonna check out this white R32 right now.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, R33.
Oh, it's silver.
Never mind.
I gotta go straight to the car, you know. So we go through all the entities. You know, keeping relationships.
What's your thoughts on this car right here?
Always believing in what you want.
It's beautiful.
And what you want to do.
Yeah.
And
Start it up.
I know, you just walked away from it.
I know. We walked in and I was like, dude, this shit is bad.
You about to cry right now.
Nah,
I can see the tear in your eye.
nah. It's not a DeVille, but it's fucking beautiful.
It is pretty clean. It's just not my thing. And then
It's a fucking Audi 2.7.
is it really?
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna.
Favorite car? Got all the builds.
Kind of like that Porsche. Nice
Really?
clean one. Yeah.
The interior's really nice. One.
Yeah. 240Z.
The Z?
Yeah, the red one.
I'd say mine have to be this.
It's crazy.
It's a nice masterpiece.
Yeah.
It's clean. You gotta duck like that, boy. Get away! Hey!
Let's go.
It's a little bright out, man. Alright, we're going down to the West Hall right now. I've yet to be there. You guys have been there?
I haven't been there.
Have you been there?
Nah, bro.
I think we should have started here.
Yeah.
Because South Hall is like kind of bland, more like sales things.
Right.
But here, like, we have some like actual like. I mean, there's some sick cars here. It's pretty nice to check out.
Yeah, I think so. Overall, it's so much to look at.
Yeah, I'm glad that I came with you guys today because I didn't see any of this.
I didn't either. No, I was gonna, honestly, I was gonna come alone if I had to, bro. Like, I'm like, dude, I only saw half the stuff yesterday.
Yeah. Here we are at Knowledge Tech.
Sure.
David's favorite rap.
Nope.
All right. We're gonna walk out right now.
Yeah.
We're done with West Hall?
Good for today.
West Hall is pretty dope.
All I think we're honestly done for today. You know,
Yeah.
We saw something we didn't see yesterday.
Saw everything I wanted to see.
Yeah.
We're gonna hit the Tesla. What is it? Tesla what?
Tesla Super Loop or whatever. I don't even know, but it's gonna save us all walking back.
Yeah, no, we heard about a Tesla Super Loop. I don't know what it is.
We go
Crazy rainbow
underground,
things
bro.
going on.
It's pretty dope.
I heard rainbows. I heard transportation. I don't know what to expect.
I heard tunnel too.
Yeah, there's a tunnel with rainbows. I'm tripping right now.
Sir.
Yes, man. If I want Dunkin', I'm gonna get Dunkin' right now. I don't gotta ask nobody, my boy. If I want coffee, I'm gonna get coffee. If I want donuts, I want to get donuts.
So you're getting Dunkin'?
Dunkin' Donuts. That's what I'm saying, sir.
But hey, if the line's big though, I'm walking back.
I feel
the other way.
that. I ain't
yeah,
trying to
yeah,
wait.
no, I ain't
trying to
about
wait
the
that
whole waiting
long.
thing.
I got places to be. We got places, you know.
We figured out where the Tesla Super Loop is.
Times of the essence.
We're gonna hit that right now.
Yup. Doggy.
Little doggo.
Hello. Hi. Hey.
All right, so we got our coffee.
Yeah. Hi.
Cheers, mate.
Hi. Hey.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and check out the what is it called?
Hey.
What's it called?
Yeah. The fucking rainbow tunnel.
A rainbow tunnel. The Tesla rainbow tunnel. Thank you. Can I hold it? Sweet, let's go. This song's so good.
Oh.
You know what it's called?
What is it called?
This damn song. That's where we're going in?
Yeah.
Damn.
Central.
South.
South?
Smacked this whole coffee for nothing because Octavio failed to read instructions correctly. It's a red flag in my book.
Do better.
I need soldiers that read instructions well on the first time.
You literally just smacked the coffee.
If I can't count on you, you're nothing to me.
We smacked the coffee just so we can get a ride.
Yep. Idiots. I depend on my guys to help me. He failed me.
There's better be a really good rainbow.
Red flag.
Where'd he go? Yeah.
Good stuff? Yeah. Where we headed? South.
Thoughts on the rainbow tunnel?
It's cool. It's cute.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Save me a walk.
Hold on.
Felt like we really bonded as a team there.
Yeah, very
silence.
quiet.
Yeah, no, it was a very quiet.
Yeah, very quiet experience. Our driver wasn't really friendly, didn't really talk. He had tattoos that usually makes him a bad person. But yeah, it was cool. Saved me a walk, so that's good.
This guy needs his pins from Toyo.
Dog, you don't even know how many I
The
have,
addiction
bro.
is real.
Dedicated, dog.
Damn, hope we got hooked up right now.
I'm like, you know what pins? He's like, yeah, man. So you get any? I'm like, just one, bro. He's like, which one? I'm like, I got the 830. And he pulls out this one right here, bro. Got the C10.
God damn.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we drove straight here.
Well, it wasn't even that. It's like we didn't know where to go.
Yeah.
Like I was lost the entire way. I only felt comfortable for a while when I was here, and then after that, I was lost again.
Yeah.
But yeah, here we are just waiting for these cars.
Taking a breather.
Right now we're gonna go check and see if we can figure out where David's car is, if someone needs to drive it. Do you have a key?
No, but
Oh,
we're gonna probably take it tomorrow. It's probably gonna be here for another day, and then we'll be able to pick it up tomorrow.
gotcha.
Just want to check the condition.
Post it up in the Hoonigan booth.
It's not Hoonigan plug when they run out. I know. I need to put on my hat.
You ready to get out of here?
Yeah.
Because I'm ready to get out of here. I'm hungry. Really hungry. It's hot. Stop saying that, dude. Everyone always saying it's so hot.
Okay, I take it back. It's not that bad. We're good.
It's not that bad.
We're straight. I would say just
All right, that's it. It's the end of 2021 SEMA, baby. We made it, boys.
Oh, I'm creating a beast. Oh my god. Hey.
Oh, he's only 19? You mean 21? Yeah.
What I just
Hey, yo. So real quick, so I don't know if y'all travel through all that traffic on the strip, if you see all the protesters, okay? But apparently, I taught Trigger Media how to crack crab legs. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you can take all the meat.
Oh, he got it on dial now, huh?
Yo, it's funny the car doesn't even like it.
I don't know. He's been eating crab legs for about 45 minutes.
It's his third plate.
Mike. Mike.
What's your thoughts on this buffet?
Whoa.
You're full?
And the weather was nice. Fucking crab.
How was the food?
This is very good, bro. I think I ate a little too much though.
How was the food?
And the weather was nice. I love Diego. I love
the
him.
food?
It's fucking good.
Yeah.
It's good. I was no complaints. I'm straight.
How was the food?
It's in my stomach. Yeah.
You everything good?
Drinks though. I wish I had more drinks.
Was it actually?
Water.
It was
The
actually
crab was
really
good. The crab. The crab was
Fucking
Oh, no way.
No, what are you doing? No service.
All right. Ready?
No.
Everyone jump.
Fuck.
1, 2, 3.
It didn't work because he didn't jump.
I don't think it's even frozen.
Bro, we'll make it. 10 seconds. Let's go.
We made it.
gang.
We made it. Hey, where we at? We are, I don't know, where are we? Fremont. We're in
You wanna
Fremont.
ride on the ride? On the rides when we go?
What rides?
I'll put you on the ride.
What rides?
Are you? Yes. It's a yes or no. It's not a. It's not.
Sure, yes, there's rides here. I guess there is. I don't like roller
Answer the
coasters.
question.
I don't like roller coasters.
Did I ask?
Yeah?
Hey, how's it going? Hey, so
it was a little loud in there.
Yeah, it's pretty wild over there. We were on Fremont. Now we're going to the Grand to use the restroom.
Yeah, we're gonna end it here. All right.
It was a good night. It was a good trip.
That was it was a really good trip out in Vegas.
How was your second day at SEMA today, buddy?
My second day at SEMA was absolutely immaculate. It was way better than yesterday. Yesterday was straight packed. But yeah, so this is the end of the vlog, the second vlog. I hope you guys checked out the first vlog. We're gonna be heading back to the hotel and then head back to our hometown, California. Bye-bye.
I'm just trying to go back.